Okay, fifth graders, it's Mr. Allman again. So once you get back into TinkerCAD and you get into your classroom, we're going to do these 5 opening projects right here. Okay, and it's just to learn the basics, all right? So you're going to learn how to navigate the menus. That's a big thing, and I'll show you what that means in just a minute. And then we'll move on to being able to move and rotate and scale objects to make them bigger and smaller, group them, and then align tools. So you'll just kind of work through these. So I've got one started here, and I'll click resume. Alright, so the biggest part about learning this is learning all these different tools up here and along the side. Okay, and you'll just work through, you'll read over here and work through the instructions here. Okay, so this one asks me to, we're going to manipulate a box, meaning we're going to change it, we're going to move it. So it's asking me to drag a box to the workplace and place it within the hint. Alright, so I can go to a geometric shape. There's my box. I click and drag it in, and I place it within the hint. Okay, and then I continue to next step. Okay, on this one it's having me move objects, or what they call nudging, which is a tiny movement. So each hop or nudge is a 1 millimeter step, very, very tiny. Okay, so you can do that with the arrows, right? Just moving it a touch. Or you can hold Control on your keyboard and you can move the arrows. Oops. And you can move them with pressing the up and down arrows. Or you can try this. Okay? So using the arrow keys to push the box over the nearest major grid line. So see, I'm just using my up and down arrow keys. And you can just nudge it very slowly. Alright. Okay, so start working through these. This kind of breaks it down and lets you know exactly what you're going to be doing through each lesson. Okay, so let's continue working through this so you can learn the basics. Alright, good luck, 5th graders.